Deploying an AI customer support chatbot on your website can dramatically increase your conversion rates and also level up your customer support as a whole. But if you don't have any experience, it could feel quite overwhelming at times. So today I'm going to show you the simplest and most effective way to get an AI chatbot on your website using Fire Chatbot. By the end of this video, you will have your own custom AI chatbot on your website, and you will also get a state-of-the-art analytics system that shows you not only how many users actually use your chatbot, but also what they write. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so in this video we're going to recreate the AI customer support chatbot that I have placed on the website of my AI startup docgpt.io. You can see it appears here on the right bottom of the screen, and I can ask it any question like I've already done. How much does DocGPT Pro cost? And it instantly tells me the answer. Now I can, for example, ask how can I contact DocGPT? And it only takes 1 second, and it tells me the email address and even refers me to further information. This is exactly what we want from an AI chatbot, and the question right now is, how do we get this onto our website? In order to do that, let me head over to firechatbot.com. This is the landing page, and you can see right here on the hero teaser we have this little input field. In this input field we can enter our URL, which is docgpt.io, and we can just press enter. So right now what the Fire Chatbot AI model was doing is it scraped every page that belongs to docgpt.io, and it put all the information from these pages into a knowledge base and designed the chatbot at the same time. And all of this basically just took 3 seconds, and you can see right here the chatbot is already finished. So I can, for example, ask for pricing information. Of course, I have to accept the terms of use first in order to be GDPR compliant. And once I press accept, you can see that it tells me, okay, DocGPT costs $4.99 per month, just as our previous chatbot that we just looked at docgpt.io told us. So you can see the chatbot is ready. I can ask it again for contact information, for example, and you can see the email address is appearing again. And on the left side of the screen, I have a designer widget which I can use in order to manipulate the design of our chatbot. For example, I can choose another background image just by swiping. This is the one that you've seen a few moments ago. I can manipulate the header, but I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Maybe I can make it a little bit bigger and a little bit bolder. So I think I'm gonna go with this. And I can manipulate the intro text, but I think I'm also gonna leave it like that. And what else can I do? I can turn on a dark mode or light mode. I can place it on the left side or the right side of the screen. I can even change the opening icon, for example this one, but I think I'm also gonna go with this one. And what I'm gonna do is I will change this initial FAQ because I'm interested in my customers getting the DocGPT Pro variant. So let me just change this one, say DocGPT Pro right here, and you can see it instantly changes. I can press this button, and it tells me something about DocGPT Pro, just how I wanted it to behave. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to change this button, I think, because I actually want my users to be able to sign up right away from the chatbot. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to input the sign up now text. You can see it instantly changes, and I can just input my URL for the sign up page. I can save it. And if I press this button right now, my sign up page appears. So everything exactly how we want it to be. And now what we can do is we can just use this chatbot and register. So once we have registered, we get to the dashboard. And you can see the first thing that appears is the chatbot again that we just designed on the start page. And you see the same designer widget again, which we can use to manipulate anything we want. So we can set up a new background image. We can change the title, we can change the intro section, just how we've done it at the start page, but that's not what I want right now. What I want to show you right now is, first of all, the AI model screen, which we can use to manipulate our AI model that produces the answers for our chatbot. So we can choose between a fast model and a strong model, which is a little bit more intelligent but a little bit slower than the fast model. So let's go with the fast one right here. Down here we can change the personality of the chatbot, so we can choose between a customer support specialist, a sales assistant, or a product expert, depending on how we want our chatbot to behave in the chat. We can also define the answer length, but this fits right here for our use case. We can define the character, so do we want the chatbot to be more engaging, more professional, or balanced? And also we can add any custom instructions that we want. So basically, for example, if we want our chatbot to communicate with a certain brand-specific dialect or whatever, you can add it right here. Next, let's take a look at our knowledge base. Right here you can see all the pages that the Fire Chatbot AI model scraped in order to come up with the information that the chatbot needs in order to answer the questions. So this looks really good right here. And what we want to do right now, let me first of all put my image to the right side. What we want to do right now is we want to implement our chatbot. And how are we going to do this? We're going to press this button, and here we can see a script tag with our chatbot ID right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy this script tag and move to our repository. In my case, it's the DocGPT.io repository. And what I'm going to do here is I just copy and paste this script tag. Then I'm going to save my file, my index.html page, and right now, once I publish this, the chatbot is live, and that's basically already everything. So if we move back to docgpt.io and we reload the page, we can see that the chatbot appears right here. And moving my image back to the left side, we can ask it any question basically. So this is the same thing that I've shown you at the beginning of the video. I already had this chatbot, but this is everything you have to do in order to get a state-of-the-art AI chatbot onto your website. And I can really recommend you to try it out for yourself. And leave me some feedback in the comments if you have any. And that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. And if you like this video, press like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.